There's a certain thing I haven't used as much as I would like to, and it's black.
This, my friends, is the playbook.
He's not coming.
What are you talking about?
Never mind. He's not coming.
He's not. I'm such a fool.
To perform the Lorenzo von Matterhorn, here's what you'll need. Basic knowledge of website design and a very unique fake name. Now, select your target. Preferably a girl with a real nice phone.
I'm Lorenzo von Matterhorn.
Are you, like, famous or something?
Then, as soon as you're gone, she gets out her phone and does an internet search for Lorenzo von Matterhorn. A series of fake websites, all devoted to the incredible life of Lorenzo von Matterhorn.
Can I buy you a cup of coffee?
Yes, please.
And it is on.